Now students, let's do the exercise on page number 64. Complete the following dialogues using the present continuous. Now here you have to use present continuous. So what is the formula of present continuous? Is, am, are plus V1 plus ing, isn't it? Verb plus ing. So this formula you have to use. Now use the verbs given in the brackets. So in the bracket they have already given you the verbs by using them here. Now one has been done for you, can see. So what, teacher, what are you all doing right now? Rakesh, I am working on a project. Rita, no, he is actually drawing cartoons. He is actually drawing cartoons. Here you have to write. Now see, is already written here. So is drawing cartoons, it's complete. Whereas I am writing essay. Now come to the next one. David says, are your friends dash for Diya's wedding? Are your friends coming for Diya's wedding? Coming. Now why I am writing only coming? Why not? Because R is already here. See, this R is already here, and that is why whenever you start your question with is, am, are, automatically the sentence becomes an interrogative sentence. So are your friends coming for Diya's wedding? Then Ria, some of them are planning to come. So planning, planning, planning to come. Actually Rahul's brother is also getting married. Is getting. Okay. Getting married. Some of us are going there instead. Going. So you're going. Now, Celine. Mother, what are you doing? Simply. So doing. Simple. Mother, what are you? Why are you shouting? So shouting. I am cooking. Okay, this is the answer. Mother. 7. I just wanted to tell you that your cat is sleeping. So the ing form of the sleeping on my bed is sleeping. Mother, are you dash of going out? Are you thinking? So this becomes an interrogative sentence starting with are. It is raining cats and dogs. Now what do you mean by raining cats and dogs? It is a proverb and it means raining heavily. George, my friends are meeting at the coffee shop. Meeting, isn't it? I just hope that the rain stops in a few minutes. Ryan, what are you planning to do this summer? So planning. Okay. Planning this summer. My grandparents are visiting us this summer. This summer. We are going to Mumbai. So with this, our exercise is complete. I hope you must have done also, and I think you must have got all right. Now let us do the exercise on page number 65. Guys, now here rewrite the sentences below by changing the tense to the present continuous. So what is present continuous? As again is, am, are plus V1 plus ing. So this formula you must always write so that you can apply the formula easily and you don't have to think. Make necessary changes to the other parts of the sentences, like wherever required you have to change the sentences. So Raju buys a new car next year. So Raju buys a new car. So no, Raju is buying a new car. Okay, so Raju is buying a new car. So this is planning, isn't it? next year. Now, I learned karate at a local club. So, with I we use am. So, I am learning. I am learning and then karate at a local club. Okay. I'm just underlining here so that you can know. I plan to buy my brother a pet for his birthday. So here again I am planning. I am, you can write the short form also. I am planning to buy my brother a pet for his birthday. Then comes the fourth one. Neeru and Jitin do their assignments together. So Neeru and Jitin are doing their assignments together. So Neeru and Jitin are doing their assignments together. So this you have to write here, okay, in place of this. The school recognizes a musical concert. The school organizes a musical concert to raise money for charity every year. So the school is organizing. The school is organizing. Here, this is the verb. A musical concert to raise money for charity every year. Now come to the sixth one. My sister runs a primary school in Kolkata. So my sister is running. Is running. Okay. My sister is running with this. Will you buy a ticket for the concert? This is interrogative sentence. So will you be buying a ticket? Will you be buying? You will write like this. You will be buying a ticket for the concert. Okay. So this you will write here. Now come to the next one, eighth one. Do you take the medicines regularly? So here, this is an interrogative sentence. So what you are going to do for this interrogative sentence here? First, let us see the seventh one. Here, so will you be buying? If we can start with this also, and we can start with are you? Okay, are you buying? So in that case, you don't have to write this. So are you buying? So in two ways we can write this, okay, and both the ways are correct because in both we are writing ing form, isn't it? And this is B form. These are called B forms. R is M R R. These are B forms. These we call these are B forms, isn't it? So this is B form here, and buying we are writing here. B, this is already B written here, and this also is B form. Be buying. Will you be buying? So this is obviously in the future only. Here also we have future. So are you buying? We can write like this also. So this question, two ways you can write this one, and this is correct. Okay. Now come to the eighth one. Do you take the medicines regularly? So here you can start with are you taking the medicines regularly? Are you taking the medicines regularly? This way you can try the medicines regularly. Then come to the ninth one. Famous singers from Mumbai come to perform at the Talkatoora Stadium. So famous singers from Mumbai are coming. Here we will have to write are coming. Simple. To perform. Then we practice for the annual drama competition in the district. So we are practicing. For this we are going to write are practicing. Isn't it? Is a modern practicing. Then I ate pizza for the lunch. I am eating pizza for the lunch. I am eating pizza for the lunch. Let's remember. So for this, I have to write for this. Okay. Abhijit stays in a hotel. Abhijit is staying in a hotel. Now these first 5 I had asked you to write in your fair notebooks. Okay. Rest all these first you can do it in your copy.